It is crypto faceless. I remain faceless. I remain nameless. Today, we're going to be speaking about Zen. Shout out to my Zen family. Got some news when it comes to, it's always news when it comes to Zen. But firstly, let's start off with the wider market. We got BTC at somewhere around 43K last time I checked. And originally, I had thought that we would probably see some kind of pullback in BTC, right? Because coming from a technical, right, technical analysis standpoint, I would expect to see some kind of pullback in BTC, seeing that we've gone up so much, seeing that prices have risen so much. But I would say from a fundamental standpoint, I don't actually think that we're going to go down. I really don't think we'll actually go down, because I think about it like this. The how can I put this? We've been going up basically because of the ETF. Point blank period. The only explanation you can actually say is that we've been going up because of the ETF. All right, the ETF is supposed to be approved sometime in January. That's what most people think. It's not a guarantee, but that's the reason why we've been seeing such huge price appreciation. All right, so because that's still in play and will still be in play for the next month or so, right? Month in a bit actually. So why would the price go down, right? Why? I mean, we could see a small pullback, but I don't actually think the price is going to go down any significant amount, seeing that the reason why it's up is because of the anticipation leading up to the ETF. So does it actually make any sense? Right? It doesn't make any sense for the price to go down, to have a huge pullback right now until we get some kind of announcement of the ETF. Now, I do believe in fundamentals like buy the rumor, sell the news. That's just something fundamental about markets. It's always going to happen that way. So it's going to be buy the rumor, sell the news. So we've seen a price rise from 25K all the way up to 44K. All right, that's the appreciation. I think it probably will still go up to somewhere around 50K. And then when we get that announcement that the ETF has been approved, that'll probably be the pullback right there. I'm expecting to see a pullback somewhere around that time, right? Anyway, that's why I feel like when it comes to BTC, let's talk about Zen. What's going on in the Zen community? What's going on with Zen? Number one, Crypto Cell Labs, the guys who run Zen Turbo, they actually put up a tweet today, and Jack retweeted it as well, and it was about the fact that people are not claiming their Zen, which is actually crazy. I've been speaking about this on the channel. I always speak about the different ways that actually the Zen goes up. And I said that Zen is one of those cryptos that it doesn't go up for like the other cryptos. It doesn't just go up with the market because the market is saying it's going to go up, right? Just because the rest of the market is going up doesn't mean that Zen is going to go up, right? Zen has a time aspect. It has a demand aspect. It's very connected to the Ethereum gas prices, or the gas prices on whatever chain you have Zen on, right? So because it's on every chain, right? But I'm in ETH, so I focus on ETH, right? So I always say when the gas prices are really high in ETH, you should expect the Zen price to go up, because people are not going to mint anymore, right? People are not going to mint anymore. And I also always say that expect the prices to go up when there are Zen projects coming out, right? When there are Zen projects coming out. Right now, we don't really have no Zen projects coming out, but I always tell you, the 333 auction coming in quarter 1 or quarter 2 of next year, that's going to be the bull run for Zen. That's the bull run for Zen. Like point blank period, Zen's bull run is the 333 auction, okay? And then, of course, if there are any other Zen projects that come out, that's going to be crazy bull run for Zen as well, all right? So generally speaking, those two things are what make the prices of Zen go up. But one thing I don't actually speak about is when the price of gas actually goes up, people not only stop minting, but they also stop claiming. And that's something that I didn't mention before. It's actually crazy. So what Crypto Cell Labs, the guys who run Zen Turbo, so they run Zen Turbo, so which means they actually have a lot of information about all the statistics dealing with Zen. Who's claiming, how many people are claiming, when the mints are coming out. They got all the data. Data is all there, right? So what happened was they said that in the last month, because Ethereum gas prices have been higher than normal, right? People have a lot of people have literally just stopped claiming their Zen. Like literally just stopped claiming the Zen. That's ridiculous. I don't I don't even know what to say. Like Jack retweeted it because it just shows you how important this is. Like literally the supply of Zen is going to stop, right? That increase of supply that's always coming through inflation. People are minting and claiming, people are minting and claiming. The price, it hurts the price. It does. I mean, you have to be real. But what happens is not only are people going to stop minting because it's too expensive to mint, so there are not going to be any more new minters when the gas prices go up, but also the people who have already minted, the old minters, they're going to stop minting because they're like, you know what, I don't even really want to mint. The old minters are going to stop claiming, right? So if you don't know how Zen works, you basically have to mint, and they have to wait a time period, right? The time period that you select. And then you come back and claim those mints. So when you claim those mints, you actually have to pay more money, right? You have to pay the gas fees, right? Zen is free, but you still have to pay the fees of the network, right? So you have to pay those gas fees. When you actually go to pay those gas fees, the claim fees, people are like, when the gas is high, a lot of people are saying, I don't want to claim it, and they leave that Zen. That Zen gets burnt. Any Zen that goes unclaimed is burnt Zen, right? Because the way Zen works is you basically have to, you have about 7 days to claim it. Every single day you don't claim it, you lose a certain amount. By the 7th day, it's all gone, right? So that Zen, that we got thousands and thousands of Zen for the last month that has not been claimed, and pretty much it's just getting added to the burn record, right? Pretty much it's just getting added to the burn record, right? When we say burn record, we mean the Zen that's being burned, right? So you can burn Zen for projects. You can burn Zen. Zen also gets burnt if it doesn't get claimed, right? If you don't claim the Zen, it gets burnt, right? So that's what we're seeing happen right now. And the crazy thing is this, right? This is the most important part of the video. Gas prices are not even high. Ethereum Gwei is not even high. But what, like I was surprised when I seen the message or the tweet. He tweeted saying that what did he say? He said basically like during the last month, everybody just has not been claiming their Zen. Like I was thinking during the last month, I know the prices of Gwei have been going up, but has it really been high yet? It hasn't. Like it really has not been high yet. So I'm looking at Gwei every single day. The Gwei is like 30, 40, 50, you know. You have one odd day when it's like 100 something, right? I mentioned that in one of my videos, but that's just like a one-off day, right? Every other day it's consistently at 30, 40, 50, right? If you get it at the right time, you could probably claim your Zen at a 30 or maybe high 20 Gwei, right? But a lot of people, according to the statistics, according to Crypto Cell Labs, these are the guys who run Zen Turbo, all right? They've got all the numbers. The last month, people have not been claiming their Zen, okay? Huge, 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 huge news, guys. That means all of that Zen for the past month is getting burnt, right? And we haven't even really seen the high gas prices yet. Wait till we get consistently high gas at 70 Gwei. 70 Gwei or 80 Gwei consistently. Wait till we get that. Once we get that, you're not gonna see like no claiming, no minting and no claiming. That's the crazy part. I already knew there's not gonna be any minting, but even the minters that actually minted time ago, a long time ago, they're actually gonna stop claiming their mint. Not only gonna stop minting, but they're not gonna even claim the mint. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. So what else do we got when it comes to Zen? We got the VMPX news. Okay, all right. So basically, ordinals. Jack got really big into ordinals maybe 5-6 months ago. If you were around Zen back then, you know. Ordinals is basically you can describe it as NFTs on Ethereum, right? On Bitcoin, sorry, NFTs on Bitcoin, right? It allows you to make some kind of inscription on the blockchain or whatever, blah, blah, blah. You know, I don't care about the tech. Anyway, Jack was big into it. He was one of the first actually to get into it. came out with VMPX. He said that he had this whole idea about how VMPX was gonna bridge between Bitcoin and Ethereum, and is gonna be that connector, that bridge between the two. Like he was talking a lot about it like a while back. So anyway, I got myself a little bag of VMPX back then. I'm glad I didn't get a lot, because apparently one of the Bitcoin core devs is saying that actually ordinals are an exploit on the Bitcoin blockchain, and they're exploiting a feature that they should not be exploiting. And so they want to actually remove the feature, or do like an update on Bitcoin, and basically remove that feature that allows ordinals, right? So if that's the case, then basically ordinals are not going to be a thing, right? So that's kind of bearish for ordinals right now. So you've seen Ordi, the number one ordinal. Ordi went up a lot past few days, past week or so, but it had a dip on that news. VMPX actually went up a lot as well. I was thinking, VMPX is going up. Then I seen the news about Ordi and what's going on. I was like, okay, I was actually thinking I should have had a bigger bag of VMPX. But anyway, seems like Bitcoin devs are trying to kill ordinals altogether. So I was like, okay, I'm glad I didn't get a big bag of that. But anyway, yeah, so that's going to be interesting. I seen Jack tweeted about it today. He thinks that dev is going to be on the wrong side of history, and it's not going to be. I guess he feels that it's still going to be a thing. I don't know. I'm not willing to bet on it. But anyway, the future of Zen looks good. The future of Zen is the 333 auction, guys. The gas prices are going to be going up crazy soon. You already see people have stopped minting. You already see people have stopped claiming their mints. Like, bro, the gas prices are not even high, and people have stopped claiming the mints. Imagine what's going to happen in a month, 2 months, 3 months post-halving, when we have consistent high gas fees on a daily basis, and it doesn't go down. People are not going to be minting. People are not going to be claiming. And people are just going to go straight to the market to buy it off the market, because, of course, they want to get X1. That's the key, guys. The 333 auction. People are going to want to get X1. Don't forget. People are going to want to get X1. Okay? Anyway, I'm out, guys. Enough for today. It's Crypto Faceless. I remain faceless. I remain nameless. I'm out.